Hello, my name is Brandon and I'm here to show you how to launch a virtual machine to host an e-commerce site. And today we're going to be using Google Cloud Platform. As you can see, I'm already logged in. The first thing you're going to want to do is click the three lines over there, go straight to Marketplace and look up Prestashop. And we're going to choose the one by Bitnami, launch. We're going to click this, click West. Any of them is fine. We're going to use the smallest memory. Looks good to go. Deploy. And we're just going to be waiting a few seconds. The shop has been deployed. We actually have a default shop, and how to access it through the front end would be to go directly by clicking this link, and through the back end clicking this link. And how you're going to access the admin is by using the username that's given with the password given. I'm going to let that load a little bit. It's load, you could see the store right here. This is just the default shop, and how you're going to log into here by taking the username and the password. And ta-da! This is going to be the back end of it.